Ever found yourself at the checkout, ready to pay, only to realize your physical wallet is nowhere to be found? Fear not, because your iPhone or Apple Watch is your new superpower for making contactless payments, even if you've forgotten your card details. Today, we're diving into how to effortlessly use Apple Pay in store without needing your physical card. This is perfect for those moments when you've left your wallet at home, but still need to grab those essentials. First things first, this only works if you've already set up Apple Pay on your device. If you haven't, that's a separate process where you add your credit or debit cards to the wallet app, but assuming you've done that, you're already halfway there. When you're ready to pay, simply bring your iPhone close to the contactless payment terminal. There's no need to open any specific app. Your iPhone will automatically detect that it's time to pay. To authorize the payment, you'll need to authenticate on newer iPhones. This is usually done with Face ID. Just look at your screen on older iPhones. Or if you're using Touch ID, simply place your finger on the home button. If you're using an Apple Watch, it's even simpler. Double-click the side button to bring up your default card. Then, hold your Apple Watch near the contactless payment terminal. Your watch will give you a gentle haptic feedback and a subtle buzz to confirm the payment is processing. And that's it. The transaction is complete. You've successfully made a contactless payment using just your iPhone or Apple Watch. It's incredibly convenient, and thanks to advanced security features like tokenization, it's also highly secure, keeping your actual card details private. So next time you're on the go and without your wallet, remember that your trusty Apple device is all you need. Happy shopping!